Next Tuesday, 31st of October, marks the 500th anniversary of the birth of the Protestant Reformation, a day when Martin Luther, an Augustinian monk, nailed his now famous 95 Theses to the door of the Castle Church in Wittenberg. Though primarily a protest against some of the beliefs and excesses of the then Catholic Church, the thesis became a catalyst for a movement which changed the world. And the nonconformity it promoted would eventually take Wales by storm. The Reformation affirmed the idea that the Bible should be available in everyday language, not just Latin. It promoted freedom of religious belief by challenging the authority of corrupt church leaders. And it promoted the belief that salvation is found through an individual's faith alone in Jesus Christ, not through good works, penance, or the intervention of a religious cleric. It wasn't all plain sailing. Some of Luther's beliefs are frankly abhorrent, and many of the early reformers reverted to the practices which are equally as corrupt as those they railed against. Yet despite these, it's impossible to diminish the positive impact of Luther's actions 500 years ago and the effect that they had and are still having in Wittenberg, Wales and the world. I will close with the words of Professor Sarah Williams of Regent's College in London. If we believe that all human beings are created equal, that they are free to act according to their conscience, to speak freely, to be treated fairly before the law, if we believe that rulers should obey the same laws as their subjects, that oppression should be resisted, that leaders should be held to account, that differences should be tolerated within civil society, then the Reformation is something we must celebrate.